So, ano ba yung mga habit or mga tradition na ginagawa ko? Ano ba yung mga habit or mga tradition na ginagawa ko? Tradition na ng family, turo, kahit paano. Nalahian naman kami ng incheck. So, mga ganon bagay. So, I was born and raised na may tradition na may sinasabit what do you call that? Sa pintuan. Like, usually 12 pieces of grapes na ginagawa namin 13, 14 kasi para may extra. They say na hinga, bilog is money. So, nagsasabit kami nun. And then, you have to also hang cotton balls then sa pinto. Mga isa or dalawang peraso para magaan ang dating ng New Year. But for me, hindi ko na siya gagawin ngayon kasi dito sa Las Vegas, baka maanuhan pa kami ng paniki. Kasi may na-experience kami yan doon sa dating place namin na may baby bat sa tabi ng one. So, ay, ayoko na maglagay. But one thing that I always do pagdating ng 31st, the thing is, hindi na kami nagto-12 fruits. Usually, may 12 kinds of fruits kasi mas malas ang magtapon ng grasya. So, hindi na kami maglalagay kasi hindi naman kami kumakain madalas ng fruits. And very pihikan, like watermelon or mangga lang. So, yung mga iba, masasayang lang talaga. So, I'd rather not buy 12 kinds of fruits na 12 pieces each. But I do believe that you have to have something sweet on the table, which is bumili na ako ng mga chocolates and then mag-order na ako ng yama cake because that will make daw the relationship sweeter. So, mahilig din naman kami sa sweets, so why not? And aside from that, of course, general cleaning, mag-dispose na ng mga hindi nyo ginagamit. Sabi nga ni Marie Kondo, 'di ba? Um, spark joy. Kung hindi na nagbibigay ng spark, kailangan na natin i-let go. At kung nakatambak naman talaga sa cabinet for years, it's time for you to let go. Mga damit na inaasahan kong kakasya sa akin, and it's been a while na, so I'd rather eliminate those stuff. So, general cleaning, as in sobrang mega laba, bagong bed cover, bagong bed sheet and stuff pag strike ng January 1 para fresh. And then sabi nga nila, December 31, maggupit daw ng konti. So, nagtatrim ako ng buhok para yun daw yung mga negative na kailangan nating iwan sa 2024. And then, pag welcome natin ng 2025 is like a brand new you, 'di ba? Ano pa ba? Okay, I was raised na nasanay kami na wag daw lalabas ng January 1st. Wag daw gagastos kasi ibig sabihin, gagastos ka daw lagi. Medyo iniba ko siya ngayon. Sabi nga nila, parang i-invite mo na yung energy na yan. So, ginagawa ko, hindi naman ako gumagastos ng pang-hospital or anything like that. Pero, you have to like just go shopping or kain kayo sa labas, at least 1 year kayong may panggastos ng mga gusto nyong gawin, 'di ba? Or bilhin. Um, ano pa bang ginagawa namin? Loud music, switch on the lights pag strike ng 12 para lahat ng ng negative energy is na ma-wash out. And then, nagsisindi ako ng sage. Medyo ano na 'to ha, kasi talagang may iba na when napapanood akong videos na nagsindi ta's talagang may nagpaparamdam. But for me, it's cleansing, eh. And then meron akong, yung ginagamit ng mga Buddhist to, clear the negativity din. Ni-ring ko siya in every, room or every corner of the room. Tapos naalala niyo may fountain kami sa entrance ng bahay. So, 'yon para continue ang flow ng tubig. Sabi nila, meaning is more blessings going inside the house. Maglagay kayo ng cash sa wallet, sa pocket, coins. Ako naglalagay ako ng coins sa bed, but you have to take it off of course pag matutulog na at baka makain pa ng mga bata or ng aso, 'di ba? So, but yun lang pag strike ng 12 meron kaming mga coins everywhere and bills para 1 year may bills around the house, you know. So, and then full tank, malinis ang kotse din, and full tank para 1 year may gas tayo. So, those are the simple things that I do. Oh, meron pa pala. I always write down my 12 wishes for the new year. And I fold it, and hindi ko siya bubuksan. Ilalagay mo siya sa wallet or ilalagay mo siya somewhere na maalala mo at hindi mo naman mabubuksan. Bubuksan mo siya ulit sa December 31st of 2025 and you can check kung ano yung mga natupad. Usually, yeah, like usually natutupad naman. May mga konting one or two pero talagang halos lahat go. So, yun yung I mean, yun yung mga a little bit of my practices pagdating ng New Year's Eve. So, yeah, let 2025 be our best year, one of the best years that we're gonna have. Let's just claim that. Continue to claim all the blessings, that comes our way. Like just always be grateful no matter what. Little or big blessings, always be grateful. Always be kind kasi talagang hindi natin alam yung mga pinagdadaanan ng mga tao sa paligid natin. And of course, n- you might have to save a life by being kind to a person. So, ayun na yun, yun na yun. So, again, happy New Year, everybody. And I hope that, again, I hope and I wish that 2025 will be our one of the best years ever. Better health, more prosperity comes our way, more opportunities, more peace of mind, more good memories to keep, and more, ano pa ba, more travels for me. Yun yung promise ko sa sarili ko. I really want to do travel more often. And of course, do some of the stuff in my bucket list. So again, thanks so much for watching and happy new year to everybody. Love lang ulit tayo. Hit that notification bell, subscribe, and comment below what else that you want to see. And until next time, loves.
Place my feet on the top of the